Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install stock Android 10 Evolution X ROM, as well how to install TWRP recovery. Well, no, how to install TWRP recovery. My video there's a link in the description. How to install TWRP. After that, just go to this video, go back to this video, just be in the TWRP, don't boot to your system, and after that, just be here and just install this stock ROM with me. And make sure you have unlocked bootloader how to do so. I will make a video soon, or if you have it, great, or if you don't have it, like you can search to Google how to do it, or soon I'll make a video. Okay, so I don't have my recovery installed here, so I will install it right here. Because I won't tell you how to do it step by step, because I have made other video for it, just not to take your time if you haven't installed TWRP recovery. But yeah, I'll make a time lapse how I do this. So basically, yeah. Okay, I haven't. Now my recovery has been installed, and I'll just disconnect my phone and boot into my recovery. Great, now just swipe to allow notifications. Great. Now let me just turn off these spooky vibrations because I don't like them. Okay, so make sure you have the ROM. It will be linked in the description, of course. And I'll make sure if I have this ROM or not. So it should be in my SD card. Yeah, I have it right. Now, what we need to do is to wipe our data. And if you want to lose your photos or downloads, you don't need to delete internal storage, but I recommend you doing so, because it will be better. Always, it will be better to boot up in the clean ROM, right? But if you don't want to lose them and you want to be like in the clean ROM, you can back up these to your micro SD card or computer or whatever. Or maybe some cloud backups, I don't know, but I personally just copy everything, everything in my internal storage to my SD card, copying and in one single folder. And you can obviously not wipe internal storage, but I recommend you doing so. Okay, so let's now go to wipe section. Okay, if you want to wipe everything, you just click format data. If you don't want to, don't click it. Okay, here we type yes, because we want to wipe out data. Yes. Now enter. Okay, now let's go to advanced wipe and select all these partitions except for USB, OTG, and micro SD card. But if you want to wipe internal storage, select it. If you don't want to, just select everything but the internal storage. I want to wipe everything, and now swipe to wipe. If you will see like the red error, like this, error opening data media or something like that, don't worry, it's okay. It's because we have formatted our data before. If you have, of course. If you did it. Now let's install our ROM. Make sure you have selected install zip option, not install image. This is how it should look like if you have install zip option. And now just select our zip. Oh, it's MIUI. Okay, I messed up. Now I need to copy my ROM from computer to my SD card. Wait a second, like make a transition. Okay, we're here. I have copied Evolution X. Sorry, I messed up, but okay, it's okay. Just copy, make sure you have all ROMs are copied. Boot after installation is complete. Great, we have it here. And now let's swipe. It should be like this, Evolution. So it will take like 2 minutes, maybe 2, 3, maybe even 4. Okay, but it will take some time, not too long. But yeah, man, you can make yourself a tea or something. Yeah, it will be already done. Okay, as you can see, we're booting to our ROM. It will take like maybe 1 to 3 minutes. It will take like long time, just like normal rebooting. But after this first boot up, it will reboot like really fast, just like in MIUI, or even faster. So yeah, uh, just wait a couple of minutes, and yeah, it will boot to your ROM. Okay, as you can see, our RAM has just booted up. If you'll see that I have 0% on battery, it's not true. Just wait maybe 1 minute until ROM finally boots up, and then you'll have your normal battery percentage. It's like the first time. Let me select my languages. As you can see, here's lots of languages like Spanish, Russian, Belarusian, every language you want, but I'll select just English. United Kingdom. Okay, I'll set up the ROM real fast. It is just the time lapse. Okay, as you can see here, we are in the ROM, working perfectly fine. I say it is a great ROM. Why? Because I had installed it for a month on this phone, and it is completely super. I like it. It's really cool, really stable. Because I have tested other ROMs on this phone. They were not. Well, they were great. Ideas were really great, but this is like the most stable ones. One stable if you want to use it. Just if you want to have a stable Android 10, use this ROM. If you want to test something, use other ROMs. But I think this is the most stable right now ROM for this phone, especially not the GSI ROM, but ROM especially for this phone made. So thank you for watching. If I've enjoyed this video, just leave a like and share the video with your friends. So yeah, subscribe as well, of course. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. So take care and bye.